Hi, guys, welcome to Syncios channel. Lots of users just switched to a new iPhone, but WhatsApp chats haven't come along. All you need is the robust tool, Syncios WhatsApp Transfer. The first step, launch Syncios WhatsApp Transfer. Step 2. Connect both your phones using two USB cables. If necessary, click the flip button to switch the source and target phone. Then click to start the transfer. You can choose to merge WhatsApp data. Step 3. Follow the prompts to start WhatsApp on your phone to proceed with the backup. Step 4. Continue to follow the instructions to sign into the customized WhatsApp on your Android. Wait for a few times, and you can see that the transfer has been successful. Download Syncios WhatsApp Transfer with the link below, and give it a try. If this video helped, hit like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.